this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to MetaMask. So the first thing that you need to do on the MetaMask app is to be sure that you are on the right account. So I have right now an Ethereum account in here, but let's say you have a Bitcoin account or you have a Solana account or something like that, then go ahead and select that account. And if you don't have one account yet, then go ahead and create it by clicking on Add Account or Hardware Wallet. So that is the first step that you need to take. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto with Ethereum, so I am on the right account right now. And what you also need to check is at the top left, where you can select networks, that you are selecting the right network, because selecting a network in here needs to match with the network we're selecting in Coinbase. So for this tutorial, I'm going with the Ethereum mainnet. And if you're transferring different cryptos, then just please be sure that the network you select in MetaMask will be the same as you will select in Coinbase. Otherwise, your crypto might get lost. So let's continue with the video by clicking on the blue button at the bottom. And here we're going to click on Receive Crypto. Right now we have our unique wallet address, so we can go ahead and click on Copy Address. And now we can head over to our Coinbase app to insert this wallet address. From your Coinbase app, you're going to click on Transfer at the bottom right, click on Send Crypto, insert the wallet address from MetaMask in here, click on the wallet section just below, and right now select the crypto that you want to transfer. So in this tutorial, I'm transferring Ethereum, so I'm going to click on this. In this step, we need to select the network, and I just selected Ethereum in my MetaMask app, so I need to be sure that I have the same network in my Coinbase app. So that's why I'm going to select Ethereum. If I would select another network in here, then my networks will not match and my crypto will be lost. So that is why it's really important to match the two networks. So that's why I'm going with Ethereum. In here, you need to enter the amount of crypto that you want to transfer, and I'm just going with everything I have. So I'm going to click on Max, and then I'm going to click on Preview. So if you're in the EU, you need to fill in one of these steps, and if you're not in the EU, then you can just go ahead and click on Send Crypto. But if you are in the EU, then follow these steps. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to click on Exchange, and then you're going to search for MetaMask in the search bar. If you see it, click on it, and then you will be redirected to the next screen. If MetaMask is not in there, then click on Self-Custody Wallet and then fill in the details in here. And the screen that you will be seeing in Self-Custody Wallet will be the same one as you will be redirected to from Exchange. So let's head over to the next screen. Both options will redirect you to the screen, as I already said. So in here you need to click on Sending to Myself if you are so, and if you're not, then fill in the recipient's full name and country of residence, and after click on Continue. Here you see the details of your transfer. If everything is okay, click on Send Now at the bottom. And as you can see, we have sent our crypto to our MetaMask. So that is how you transfer crypto from Coinbase to MetaMask. So it will take some time in order for it to be processed and visible in MetaMask, but the transfer is succeeded. So that is how you transfer crypto from Coinbase to MetaMask. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.